Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted blogging channel. In this video I will be discussing how you can use your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini as a security camera. So by security camera I mean that you will be able to connect your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini to your phone and click videos on your phone without even touching your device. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So first of all, I want to tell you guys that if you want to use your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini as a security camera by connecting it to your phone, to use it properly, because this can also lead to some malicious and harmful practices which I don't absolutely recommend. I just want you to know the steps by which this can be useful and this can be used as a security camera here. So steps will be really simple to use this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini as a security camera. You need to download two apps. One is the Notify app, which is a third-party app for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and you will need another app for the video recording, and the name of the app is Camera Background Record When Off Screen. So I will be leaving the link of this app on the description so that you can go ahead and download it. So once you have downloaded this camera app, you just need to open the app. It is a free app and you can get it from the Play Store. Once you have opened this app, you will see several options. It will show you whether you want to take video from the front camera and the rear camera. I will recommend you to select the rear camera here, and also if the show preview is enabled, you can disable it, so you can make the choices as your own preferences. So once you have done all this, you need to come to the Notify app, which is the third party app for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and you need to connect your watch with the Notify app. Once you have connected it, you need to come to this mailbox icon and the button option here. Once you are here, you need to map one button of the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini with this external app which will be used to record the video. I will recommend you to map any button, and I have mapped here the previous track button. So what you need to do is click on this previous track button and select open external app from there. So the exact option is start external app. Once you have done that, click on OK. Just need to close and open the Notify app again. So I have closed and opened the Notify app, and here you can see that the previous track option has been mapped with an external app. So once you have mapped the previous track action option to the external app, you need to map the next track action and the play pause action to raise the volume and lower the volume of your phone. So what you need to do is you need to click on this and select the option of raise phone volume once, and simultaneously the play pause button you need to map it to the option of lower phone volume. Once you have done these steps, you need to come to the camera app which we have already downloaded, and here you need to select one option, that is the using hard key option. You need to select and activate this option, and also you can activate the show preview so that you can know the camera is running and it is recording the video. Once you have done that, you are ready to use this phone as a security camera with your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So just keep the phone anywhere with the screen off and just keep it like this. And in the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, what you need to do, you need to come to the music player app, and in the music player app, if the camera app is not running on your phone, you need to open the app first. So for opening the app, we have configured the next track button, so we can click it once, and after you click this next track button, the volume up and the volume down button are already configured and mapped with the play pause button and the previous track option. So we need to click on any of the two buttons to start recording the video. So I will click on the play pause button, and once you have clicked on the play pause button, the camera has started on your phone. So this is right now recording all the video which is happening. So I will just lift the phone up to see what is the video it is recording. So here I am, and I'm just moving the phone so that we can understand that it is recording a video. So what you can do is you can just keep the phone anywhere and it will start recording the video on its own, and keep everything recorded, whatever is happening on your room, if you are outside or anywhere, and if you want to use this phone as a security camera. So once you are done with the recording, you just need to click on the button again and the security camera will be stopped. So this is the thing guys, if you want to use your phone as a security camera, you can follow these steps and the security camera will be activated. So we will see what is happening on our phone right now and whether the video has been recorded or not. So you can see that the video has been recorded on my phone. Although the video has been recorded from the rear camera, because I was moving my phone like this, it has recorded the video from the rear camera. So if you want to record the video from the front camera, you just need to come to the app and select the front camera from this option, and it will record the video from the front camera itself. So really easy step guys to use your phone as a security camera, although it will only work if you are connected with your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Otherwise it will not work because your volume buttons are mapped with the smartwatch, and your smartwatch needs to interact with the volume buttons on your phone to use it as a security camera and start the video. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.